Today we are doing some cache maintenance. One of my caches fell apart, so I came through, got a new container, hung it back up in the tree, got some glue all over my hands in the process. Okay, load up. Good girl. All right, I'm all suited up and we brought all these trackables, or not trackables, containers. But I picked out the one that I want to replace standing out Hartunian trails. And I got some twine so we can hang it up, and some super glue to glue it around the container. And we're gonna jump on the bike. Shasta dog's coming with. So we've arrived near the cache after that short bike ride. Yeah, we're gonna super glue some twine, and then we're going to just make a little loop so that you can take it off the branch, I guess. I don't know, I guess we'll figure it out in 2 seconds when we're there. Right where I left it yesterday or whatever. So it's been filled with more swag, and people were nice enough to put all the broken stuff back, and I'll be nice enough to pack it out. And I just accidentally ripped off the hook. Oh, no, I don't even see it. Just ripped that right out of there. So I don't know how good this one worked. This time, we got a container that's comparable size. It's the same ammo tape. We're gonna do some twine around here. I don't think that's gonna work at all, actually. The whole point is to keep it out of the snow when it snows like 5 feet around here, and hang it up high, standing out, right after some string and a whole thing of glue. And I glued my fingers to the cache for a second. It doesn't look that pretty, but it looks like it'll work. Hanging cache. Hopefully it sticks around for a while. This one lasted for like 2 years. So I put all the same stuff back in there, same logbook. Gonna go hang it up now. I accidentally just smudged the lens with some of my super glue fingers. I don't think that was a good thing. So way up high, tucked away. I was standing on top of that the first time I hung it, like way up here. I think this spot looks good right here. No, not too high. Okay. It's not too high. Blends in pretty good, unless you know what you're looking for. And there's like trails everywhere around here. All right, thanks for watching. Replaced cache. Keep up the good work, everyone. Keep the maintenance up. And cash in, trash out. I'm gonna take this trash back to the car. And then we're gonna scout out some new spots. I got all those canisters, containers, and there's tons of trails around here and tons of room to place caches. So we'll see how I can make a cool video about that. Stay tuned. Peace out. Thanks for watching.